Hello friends, today I have one important announcement for you. So as so many subscribers are requesting me to give the training, so as a stepping stone, I am going to conduct a workshop on SQL Server Linux. Why? Because so many in interviews they are actively asking for the Linux and every part. So after my workshop, you can place these things in your resume so that it will give added advantage for you, so that if you attend my workshop and you practice on your own what I have done on my laptop in the workshop, if you done that, so you can, one thing I am sure that you can actively talk about these points on Linux, about always on workshop, and you can you can actually works how we used to work on Windows. So this is and coming to details, it is like around 3 days workshop. Okay, it is around 3 days workshop, and it may be extend 1 or 2 days, like that. It all depends upon the user responses and everything. So in that, what I'm going to teach is first how we can download the install CentOS in VMware Workstation. Once it is done, we need to add that CentOS into domain, just like how we used to do the for Windows. So after that, we need to configure our Windows authentication. It is not like just changing the authentication. We have window for Windows, and SQL Server Windows authentication is quite different. Okay, we have some additional steps. If you don't do that properly, you will get that you are unable to connect from untrusted domain. Okay, so once it is done, we are going to install pacemaker cluster in CentOS. After that, we are going to install high level SQL Server high availability package. Once it is done, we are going to create the certificates for always and availability groups. Okay, once it is done, we are going to attach that listener and everything to the pacemaker cluster. In Linux, pacemaker is the cluster which handles the failovers, automatic failovers. From SSMS, we don't have that option. Okay, so if you this is workshop, this is around like 150 rupees. Yeah. So you can attend the first class if you are able to understand, and if you able to like match your frequency. Okay, then you can continue with us, otherwise you can stop there itself. Okay, so you just fill up these documents for your name, email ID and phone number, and if you have anything, come use comments, click on comments, and after that you can submit. So once it is done, we will going to send that meeting invitation link as well. Okay, on the responses that we have received. Okay, and we have one active group as well. I'm going to provide the group invitation link in the video YouTube video description, so you can join that and get my updates and other DBS comments and questionnaires as well. Okay, this is all about my details about regarding the workshop. So if I open what I see, I already installed SQL Server and Node 14 and Node 15. So see, once you detail this, you see here, you will see the penguin icon. This is the listener. So if you see here, so I have installed SQL Server 2017 CU31. So on Linux CentOS. So this is all how I will show you at the end of the day, you will be in the same position that you are going to configure line SQL Server on Linux and configure AG on your own. Okay, so let's attend the first class and decide whether it's good for you or not. I hope you like this initiative, and thank you.